Good morning everybody and happy Thursday. It's absolutely beautiful outside today, so I hope you're going to get outside and get some fresh air. Now, well done on yesterday's maths challenge. I absolutely loved seeing all of your work. You looked like you had lots of fun looking around the house to find all the different 3D shapes. So we are going to move on a little bit today. We are going to be doing shapes still, but we're going to be looking at symmetry. So when something is symmetrical, it is the same on both sides. Okay, so when it is symmetrical, something is the same on both sides. They've got to be equal and they've got to be identical and look exactly the same. Okay, so I have got some shapes to go through and we're going to decide if whether or not they are symmetrical and where that line of symmetry is. Okay, so the first shape that we have got that has got a line of symmetry is a square. Now, I've got to look very carefully where the middle is because I've got to remember it's got to be the same on both sides. If I put a mirror there, it's got to complete the shape. So, I know that there is a line of symmetry right down the middle. Now, when we draw a line of symmetry, it is dotted. Okay, so we've got a line of symmetry there. I could have also drawn the line across here horizontally. Okay, the next one we've got is a triangle. Now, I've got to see if there's a line of symmetry, and I know that I can split something into half. So if I do it horizontally, is that going to work? No, it's not. So I've got to do the line of symmetry going vertically. Okay, so you always look if it's horizontally or vertically. Sometimes it can be diagonally as well. Okay, the next one we have got is an oval. Now, I've got to have a little look to see if the oval is symmetrical, and I think it is. Now, I'm going to look horizontally. Could I draw a line across? Yes, I could. Could I draw a line vertically? Yes, I could. I'm going to go for vertically. Fabulous. It is the same on both sides. Okay, the next one then, we're going to look at this shape. I'm going to try it vertically. If I put a line here, is that going to be the same on both sides? No, it is not. So I'm going to try horizontally. Oh, it works. Okay, it is the same on both sides. They are a mirror image of each other. Now, the final shape I've got is a rectangle. So again, I'm going to look horizontally. Could I make it symmetrical? Yes, I could. And I'm going to look vertically. Could I make it symmetrical? Yes, I could. And I'm also going to look horizontally. Oh, that's not quite right. There you go. And I'm also going to look horizontally. Could I make it symmetrical? Yes, I could. Okay. What I'm going to do now is show you some shapes. I'm going to show you 6 shapes. So I'd like you to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down into your book. And you're going to write yes or no whether the shapes are symmetrical or not. Okay, here's number 1. What you could do is run your finger down the screen to show me where the line of symmetry is. So number 1, you might want to pause the screen. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Okay, so now it is time for your Use It challenge and it's time to get creative. You're going to create your own symmetrical piece of art. So if I was you, I would use your maths book with the squares on, but not to worry if you haven't got it. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw the line of symmetry down my page. Okay, if you haven't got square paper, you can simply fold your paper in half to create that line of symmetry. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing. Now I've got to remember that it's exactly the same on both sides. So I'm going to draw a square here. Oh, use a ruler if you've got one. And that means I've got to draw a side on the opposite side, a square on the opposite side. So 1, 2 away from the line, 1, 2 away from the line. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to decide to draw a circle here. That means I've got to draw a circle because it's got to be exactly the same. 1, 2 squares across, 1, 2 squares across. Perfect. Right, the next thing I'm going to draw is, I'm going to draw a diamond like this. Oops. Oh, it's actually turned out to be a square. I'm going to draw a square on its side. So again, 2 across, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh. There we go. And as you can see, I'm building up that pattern. Now, something else you could do is you could create your own butterfly, because butterflies are symmetrical. So you could draw the half the body on this side, half the body on this side. That's not. Making sure they're exactly the same size. And you could make sure that your creation is symmetrical and you can do the different patterns. Okay, so it's up to you what you want to do. Again, if you want to colour it in, that's amazing. I can't wait to see what you get up to. Okay, give us a shout if you need any help. See you later.